So this is dried pork. So how do you get this? What you do is you cut this into patty size cubes, and you dry it on wood fire, by hanging it. There are multiple ways of doing it. Some of them which are shown, either it could be this or this or this. So I'll show you how to make a delicious starter out of it. So let's get going. So what you do is take a piece, put it on the flame, keep flipping it for say a minute. So the next thing is you pound it till every fiber is separate, like this. After all that pounding, this is the end result, wherein it comes off easily. So once you're done pounding, now the real work starts. So you got to break it into smaller pieces like this, and this is going to take a while. So this took about 15 minutes to do. I guess I'm left with another 15 to go. So yeah.